Paul, Golden Gate Enterprises. This is the open windows. These are block glass windows, and the flashing seal around them had leaked. This wall had water in it coming down. The sheetrock was water stained. It was opened up. There was termite damage in here. There's some amount of dry rot. The sill all around it was rotted out. Same thing with the kitchen window here. So all of this is being repaired. We're going to open up the stucco a bit on the outside to do further inspection down below. Going to clean all this up, leave the water line in that was pre-existing, re-insulate this, sheetrock it. We've got our new windows that are going in here, but here's a view of what lovely termites look like, and it's originally the water moisture and damage that attracted the termites. These are subterranean termites here. You can see the damage, and you can see the damage in the wood and the framing. So we got to go through and clean all this up. Here's what it looks like, and here's what happens over the long term when you have termite damage and there was dry rot. So all this has got to get broken open and put back together again. Okay, so another dry rot structural repair job and leaking windows. Thank you.